Hi there, students. Momentum. Okay, momentum is something from physics, from mechanics. Momentum talks about the energy of movement of an object. So, for example, if I take a piece of cotton wool which is very light and throw it at you, you don't even feel it. But if I take a stone that's the same size and throw it at you, wow, that hurts. It also depends on how fast you throw it. Because if I take a piece of cotton wool and throw it at you at 1,000 miles an hour, 1,000 meters a second, that's really going to hurt. It'll probably kill you. So momentum, the momentum is of an object is the mass times the velocity. But very often we use this phrase momentum figuratively. Momentum talks about the movement, the forward movement, the how it's going. Okay, and this is the momentum of something. It's the force that keeps an object moving. But let's see, it's the quality that keeps an event developing or making progress after it has started. So if you start a business, the business slowly gains momentum. You get more clients, you get more contracts, you sell more things, and the business gains momentum. Yeah, it gets bigger and it moves faster, and this is the idea. The it can be you need to get momentum when you're learning a language. You're continually progressing forward. Okay, so in an attempt to give new momentum to the project, I set out some objectives, and when we needed to to achieve those objectives, we are making an appeal for funds to repair the church roof, and the appeal is gaining momentum. It's getting faster. There are more and more people contributing, and it's becoming better known. An election campaign. Maybe it's to be elected Prime Minister. You start slowly and you build up momentum, and you build up, and it gets faster and bigger and more popular, and more people know about it. And eventually it becomes viral. Well, that's the idea. So momentum, to gain momentum, to pick up momentum. Profits began to gain momentum, to go faster. Okay, the interest rates have increased rapidly, and this is why the economy is losing momentum. It's starting to slow down. It's not going as fast. Okay, a new leader for the company will give the company new momentum. Business momentum, economic momentum, political momentum, upward momentum, downward momentum. Yeah, it's gathering pace, gathering speed, becoming bigger, becoming faster, becoming larger. The impetus of something, the energy, the strength, where it's growing strength, it's growth. Okay, it's what keeps it moving. And when something's got a lot of momentum, it can then be very difficult to stop. So a process or a movement gains momentum, a political movement. It keeps developing, it happens more quickly, and it becomes less and less likely to stop. So the campaign is really gaining momentum. The scientists are gaining momentum in their solutions for global warming. It's drive, it's power, it's forward movement, the drive of something. So Don't lose your momentum. Keep going. Keep moving forwards. Because the momentum of a project is difficult to get, and if you lose it, then that could certainly be a problem. Um, okay, yes, the momentum of something, the the way that it's growing, the way that developing. So our campaign is gaining momentum. The movement is getting new momentum. The car gained momentum as it went downhill. The team began to lose momentum as things started to go wrong. We need to keep up the momentum of sales. Sales are increasing, and we need to keep up the momentum that we've got. Keep it rolling, keep it going. Okay. Um, so let's see. Formality, momentum. I'm going to give this a 5 in formality. I would say use it anywhere. 5.55, still use it anywhere. A very useful word. And then as to origin, it comes from Latin, momentum, which comes originally, I think, from moveo, to move, to set in motion. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, which finally got some momentum. Subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Momentum.